Yeah, when you are connecting to database, if you are tester, then they will give the only read only operation. If you are developer, means developer is going to the insert some data, delete some data, updating some data, so he will get the read write operations, read write access. Okay, so DDL access, basically in development database we will have, but in QA database, in production database, we are not going to the get this DDL access also. Okay, so this DDL access. So suppose you are creating one table, so testers cannot see the table because their roles are different, our roles are different. Suppose I created one table in my schema, so others cannot see that table. Others means who is having other roles. Suppose Shiva and Arun is having these roles, and Madhavi is having this role. So if these people created any table, this Madhavi cannot see until we give grants to the table. So how to give grants to the table? Grant, select permission on EMP. This is where to give the any grants. Means we are giving permission. Giving permission means select permission we are giving. So we are giving permission to other users on EMP. Grant select on EMP to Madhavi. To Madhavi or to any original SBI app users. Then only the SBI app users will see this data. Means they can write select query on this table. Select start from EMP will be work. Okay, you understand the grant, right? So if we give grant, then only other users can see the data. Next, the syntax is grant select on EMP. Suppose if you want to give grant other grants also, select comma, insert comma, update comma, delete on EMP to SPI app users. This is also one way. Or if you want to give all the accesses, what is you are having, you can also give like grant all on EMP to SBI app. It means you are giving all available access to the SBI app users. So this is grant. Revoke means removing the permissions. Removing the permissions from the user means revoke select permission on EMP from SBI app. Simply it will work reverse way. So we are revoking all select permission from the SBI app. Same way revoke all permissions on EMP table from this user. So they cannot use that table. So for every table we have to give the grants. Suppose one employee is resigned from your office, So still he is having that access, so you need to revoke that access. Otherwise he is not resigned, just he is moved to another project. So from another project also he is still there in your company, so he is using same network, so he can still able to access your tables. So that is not ethical thing. He is working in another project, but still he is utilizing your tables. So that is unethical thing. So we need, once he moved out from your project, you need to revoke all his permissions using like this. Okay, this is grant and revoke. DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.
Shiva, how to select one particular employee to revoke the permissions?
Yeah, if every employee is having like this SBI app, they will give like EMP001 username like this. So for me it is Shivayan. This is my username. So instead of SBI app, I will keep Shivayan here. So they can revoke all my permissions like that.
Okay.
Okay, you can note down this. I will share this into Google Drive. Then you can access this file and you can read out one more time. So I will also send today evening to that Hari how to install this Oracle client video. So I will also give the links. So it will be take more time, like it will be in GBs, 2 GB something, 1 GB, 2 GB something. So safe side, you can download that one. Using that video, if you can install, then install it. Otherwise, wait for me. But you need to download that one. Okay. Let me put that here. 1 second. Let me check in my WhatsApp. Basically, if you are working in any company, let me remove this record first. Then